Hello everyone, this is my second video today. I'm getting brave. I thought I would come on and do a project share. This was a private swap in a Facebook group. It's the UK Crafty Swap Facebook group. I will leave the link to the group below. And the private swap was a embellishment box. So this is what the lady, the lovely Julie, sent me from the group. And I thought I'd share it with you. I haven't actually looked inside yet because I've been wanting to make a video on this because I don't think photographs do it justice, because it's just beautiful. So I thought I would do an actual video. Now, come in this box. She's decorated this box. It's absolutely lovely. So, and I will get it out. There we go. It is gorgeous. She's put a charm with different fibres here and different metal pieces on. There. Oh, blingy. Right, it's tied here, so I'm just going to lay it down. In fact, I think I might stand up. I'm just going to lay it down and I'm going to open it up. Fantastic how she's tied this ribbon up. It's brilliant. I've never seen a ribbon actually tied up like that before. It's great. Let's open it up. Wow, look at that. Oh, I just need to put that back down. I will do after. It's absolutely lovely. Start with here, this. Look, so she's got some clothespins that she's decorated. And this is a box on this side. She's made a box. Hold on a minute. Bear with me. I'm doing this with one hand. And inside here is the clothespins. Oh, look at that. And she's put my initials on. That's wonderful. Wow, what's in there? I might have to put you down just for a minute, just while I do this. So let's open this up. Oh wow! And inside are the actual stick pins. Oh, I see. Yeah. Look, I'm going to take these off so I can actually show you properly. Just take the. There we go. And she's done a set of stick pins for me. That's beautiful. I haven't got any of these. It's the first time I've ever had any of those. They're lovely. And also in the box are one of my favourites. Gorgeous girl. Look at that handmade embellishment. Hope you can see the sparkle on the flower. Absolutely gorgeous. The eye for detail is amazing. Look at that. You've got some feathers behind. Right. So we'll do this pocket now. There we go. It says thanks there. And in here are art tiles. Oh, wonderful. They are gorgeous, the art tiles. Just let me, there's a die cut. Don't think I've ever been sent art tiles before. They are gorgeous. And a bow. And a beautiful tag, garden tag. And another tag. How pretty. Just how pretty are these. Oh, with the, there you go, there's flowers as well. Another tag. Absolutely beautiful. Ah, beach one. Beach tag, that's lovely. And winter wishes. Done with distressed ink and die cuts. That's really pretty. Well, all of them are really pretty. Oh wow, let it snow. Autumn. Oh, look at that. Another autumn. You see the glitter The acorns, absolutely lovely. And there's a back pocket that she's done as well. And these are all handmade embellishments. They are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the bag topper that she's used. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. These are really pretty, these bag toppers that she's used. And mason jars. Absolutely beautiful. This swap is one of the best swaps that I've ever received. It's absolutely gorgeous. And some mason jars. I love mason jars. Absolutely love mason jars. And that is the private swap. There is a note in there to me. And also, which is very generous, is a big piece of the cotton lace, which is absolutely fantastic for a project. So like I say, I'm absolutely bowled over by the swap. It's by far one of the best swaps that I've ever received. It's lovely. And like I said, this is a private swap within a Facebook swap group. I will link the group below, because you can ask for private swaps as well. You don't just have to do the ones that are set every month, because sometimes the swaps that are set you don't want to do, which is fair enough. We don't want to have to do what we don't want to do. So if there is a swap that you would like to do that isn't up in the events, then you ask. Just put a post up in the main group and say, would anybody like to do blah blah blah. The like for like swaps. So like if you want to swap a pocket letter, you ask for somebody to swap a pocket letter back. And the same with the embellishment boxes. Yeah, so there we have it. I feel like I'm waffling on a bit too much this morning. So that is the beautiful swap from the lovely Julie. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this project share and happy mail share. Okay, thank you. Bye.